Hi guys, now today I've got 3 cash pots and 3 hidden treasures. I managed to get the last 3 in the shop, so we got 1, 2 and 0. So I'm hoping that the triplet zeros come through for me today, so I'll go backwards on them ones. And then I've just got 3 cash pots, and that is 20 to 22. So it doesn't matter which way we do that, to be honest. Right, I shall start with a cash pot first. I'm hoping this time that they're lucky, because last time, zooming a little bit, not so much at all actually. So I brought a lot a fortnight ago, and I probably won about 13 quid back, but I brought well over 10, so I'm hoping today will be different. I've just had a nice result on the old new cash 7s. I'll be uploading that video in a bit. Well, not massive win, but my first win on it, so I was pleased. Right, fingers, lightning bolt, save, no save up there, wars, gem, no gem down there, cactus. Now obviously if I miss anything, then please let me know in the comments. I always read the comments, so cloud there. I can check it. I don't always throw my things away anyway, so no cloud and rainbow up there. Clover. Just. Now this is like when you always have one left to get on each one, and then come through basically. There's no test up there. Sunglasses. VIP. Great. And gold bar. Right, so nothing on the first one. I always check it at the end anyway, but let's try the second one. This is ticket 2. So he's out there, he's just started meeping. Oh yeah. I got a £5 in my purse. Just take that, yeah. Okay. D6.
He's out there, Blackie's out there.
I know, that's why she won't stop meeping. C3. It's in my bag. F4. A7. C5. But I'm still looking for the spade and the key. D. Just like everybody else actually. So hopefully one of us will find it soon. G5. I'm going to sort that for the coin actually, because it's a bit easier. Right, D7. Oh, the wrong way. D5 done. Right, B5. C2. B2. G6. I thought I'd give these F5 one last go, but I think if I probably don't win anything now, I probably won't buy them again, which is a shame because I do actually really like these, but just for some reason they don't like me that much. So, right, G7, A4, E1, A2, C4. Yep, everything but. So no win on that one. Alright, second cash bolt. Cactus. Gold bar. No cactus, gold bar down there. Cloud and there. There. Cloud there. Safe and clover. No safe and clover there. VIP and crown, so crown there. VIP there. Rainbow there. Great there. There. Sunglasses there. I think this is gonna be another tease. 7 there. There. I'm doing all my main fits today, and I can tell you this aches your arm after a while, doing loads and loads of scratching. So star there. So again, no win on that one. This is what I mean. They really don't like me. So this is ticket 1. A6. C4. E4. F7. A2. D3. A1. F5. E5. B4. A5. C7. Oh, yay, got the anchor. B6, can we get anything else? I am not being greedy. B2. A3. F2. E7. E7 done. Right, A7. E6. G3. And B5. Right, so we got one win on there. I should do that at the end. So we got one win, so at least this is not total bust. I spent £18, so I'm hoping that we can get something like that. Well, 20 quid or something would be nice, and then be a little bit of profit, wouldn't it? Cactus. Apple. Sunglasses. It'd be nice to get a full card on here. I've seen a couple of videos where people have got full cards, so it'd be nice to get a full card. Oh, if we get the moon, that's 2 wins. Lemon. Lemon. Crystal. Diamond. Clover. Oh, we got a win. Yay, we got a win. Yay, brilliant. That's 2 wins. We'll do them at the end. And now we've got the last hidden treasure. 0, 0, 0. Will it come through for us? It's the question. I'm hoping so. We've already got 1 win, so can it be a back-to-back, we wonder? Right, F1. D6. C5. A2. A6. E4. C4. E6. G2. G4. F2. B1. D3. C2.
Back in a sec.
Okay. D4. E7. D5. D1. Oh, 1 there. C1. C3. F7. Right, so the 777s didn't come through, but we still got 2 wins, so we got the 1 win there. Let's double check. Heart, Tash, Lemon, Gem, and then we've got the anchor, C7, C7. So we'll do the anchor first. Let's see what the other prizes would have been actually. 3k, 100, 100, 20. So that's obviously going to be free in it. Yeah. As soon as I saw them prizes, I knew it was going to be £3. And I bet this is another 3. Oh, 5. Okay, so not too bad. £18 spent, 8 back. So at least not a total bust, but not profit either because £18 spent. But at least it was something. So that's good news. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.